Okay, so natural logs and common logs share the same properties. There's one difference. The natural log is better for your health. Yeah. Okay, not quite. It's not USDA certified. The base is the number E. Remember that number that we kind of talked about last week? That's the base. So common log is base 10. This is base E. We write it so don't put the E. This is how we're going to write it. Okay. It's an L. LN. Yeah, I think it comes from French. No, like logarithm natural, because they describe things differently than us. You know, we'd say natural log, they'd say log natural. So I think that's where it comes from, LN. There's a key on the left side of your calculators that says LN on it. That's the natural log. Okay. Really? Yes, ma'am. No, he's fine. Come on. But okay. Now back on track. So we can use all the same properties that common logs share. So if I were to say, just as an illustration, ln of x squared. How can I change that with the power rule for logs? This is just a reminder. What do I do with the 2? Yeah, we can move the 2 out front. So all these logarithm rules apply still. Okay. We also can have just as an illustrator. What does that rule tell us? Okay. No. We did this. These rules we've all done with common logs, but I'm just telling you they apply with natural logs as well. Okay, so you can split up, and the division one is subtraction, if you remember those. It's been a few days, so I wanted to make sure you got those. Do you need to sit in front? If you need, you can sit there if you need to. Okay. So are we out of contacts, or we just keep forgetting them on accident? Okay. That.
You have to borrow mine.
Even from here, I don't know what number that is. Is that 8? 5.
Dude, you're 3 feet away.
The number on top.
This is a 5.
It's a 5? Okay.
Yeah. I'll let you catch up. What's the change of base formula? So if I give you log 8, 3, how can I change that to a natural log since it's on your calculators? There you go. We can do that with natural log. You can do it with the common log base 10. It doesn't matter. Okay. But you can do that on your calculator. Okay. Most new calculators have the base 8. You can do it now too, but you can use the change of base formula. Okay. What is that value?
0.583.
Yeah, that sounds about right. All right, let's solve a couple of equations. (6.5) equals negative 16.25 log x. Is that your first step? Okay. So answer. Okay. How do I get rid of that? There are two ways. No. This is a function. Okay. It's like sine, cosine, tan. We just can't move it around. It's not like a number. How did we get rid of log? What did we change them to? We changed it to an exponential, right? So if I change this to an exponential, my base is e. So I will have e to the negative 0.4 equals x. Okay, so note there. What the? Okay. What is that value? 0.67? 3 decimal places. Thank you. Anybody disagree? Okay. There is a, what is the inverse? So here's the second method. So this is method 1. Here's 2. We're going to use the inverse. What's the inverse of ln x? It's base e, right? So the inverse is the exponential e to the x. Those are inverses. If I look at the graph, here's e to the x. Here's natural log x. They are reflected over that line there. So we can use that to solve this equation if we want. I'll raise everything to the power e to the power of whatever's on each side. Okay, e and natural log are inverses, so what happens? Yeah, these two are gone. So, and you can see the effect is the same as the one on the left. It's just a different way to think about it, if you want. Okay. I did not show you that for common logs, but you can do the same thing for any logarithm. Okay. All right, let's try another. I've shown you how to solve these with different or with common logs. I'm just going to show you with the natural log. It's just reinforcing everything we've done with. Okay. Do you see x's and exponents? Oops. Take the natural log of each side. This allows me to do something with those exponents. What is it? Right. Properties of logs. Put them in front. Now you have a solvable equation, right? What's the value of log 3, natural log 3? And natural log 7? Okay. Ideas. There are a dozen ways to do this one. You can distribute it if you want on the right. Yep, completely fine. I'm going to do this because it's faster and easier. So 2 times 1.098 divided by 1.945. Any ideas? Calculators? 1.129. You see what I did there? You guys good with that? Okay. And now what do I do? Add 1. Okay, so x is 2.129. It's 2 times 1.098 divided by 1.945. Oh, hold on. I did make an error there. Thank you. That's an x. Now, thank you for saying something, because that could have been bad. My reputation on the internet would have gone way downhill. Not that I have one. Okay, so we have to subtract 1x, right? We got to combine those x's. I'm going to move this up here. There, that's better. Negative something. Divide. That's better. Now you're all acting like me. You're a bad influence.
My left contact is the wrong contact.
Why are you using it then?
Because they didn't have the right.
That. Oh. They had the left one. They had the left one and not the right one.
Oh.
Sorry, we couldn't resist. I apologize, Zach. Well, there's a solution to that. Close your left eye.
It literally is.
Nice, thank you. Any other fun science or math jokes we can make today? Let's see, we have a poster full of them. We are studying the logarithm and blues. Get it? Rhythm and blues. Okay, we are done. And you have time to work on 11.5 and 11.6.
I might not be able to practice there. If I even look at them today. Better not. If the doctor can do it. Yeah, I was like, I'm bringing your pair of condoms. And I woke up and
Since I'm very aware that a lot of you are going to be gone Thursday, Friday, Chloe, Kira, John, Leah Ray, the chemistry exams tomorrow. Okay, so that's half our class. So this is not going to be due till Tuesday. Friday is just an exercise, honestly, to get you guys ready for calculus. It's a study of area under a curve, but so tomorrow I'm reteaching this the third hour because they have half that class has gone today for the bio exam. So we're just kind of chilling. It's just scheduling issues, so I'm not worried about it.